Hello, so I'm going to show you how to do a little pop-up to view videos in a modal, and I'm going to use a library called lity. First, I just have a basic HTML file. Where's it? So here's my HTML. I just grabbed a video tag from W3 Schools and added my video to it. I just have it in a videos folder, and then I'm going to use this library. So it's called Lity Video Popup, and you get this download of all these files. Let's go to the Finder. Okay, so here's my demo. I'm just going to move everything in this dist folder. This means distribution. This is the only folder you need to worry about. So what I'm going to do is move this up. Come on. And then I'll probably just hang on to this in case I need to use that to look at that README file. But I'm just going to change this to just be called lity so that I can access all these files in a more easy way. Okay, so in index.html, I'm going to, let's move this over so I can see better. Oh, I guess I have it right here. Okay, so in the head, I want to point to lity/lity.min.css. That's just a minified, smaller version of the CSS file. And then I want to point to this lity.min.js. So down here, I want to do script source equals lity/lity.min.js. If you don't have jQuery, you will need that. So I'm just going to, in Google, I'm going to say cdn jQuery. So cdn is it's a content delivery network. So it'll give you a jQuery link that will be faster. So I'm just going to go to this code.jquery.com, and then I'm going to click on the minified thing, and it'll give me this script. This is where I got the script tag for the template. And I'm going to put that down above lity because lity is going to be using jQuery. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the second phase. So I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, so I'm on the lity website, and I'm going down to the demo area. The one we want to use is inline because we want to put that whole video tag in the inline tag. So they have down here, these are the three that you need. So those are the ones that we pulled in. There's jQuery. So I'm going to grab this one, inline, put that in my HTML above my video tag, and then I'm going to copy this div. So the div I'm going to wrap around my video. So I'm going to cut that, paste it down there. Don't need this inline content. Okay, so now I have a div. We don't really need that background color, but we do need this class of lity hide. So this is going to be using that hide. So let's see if this is working. Okay, if I click this, it plays my video. Okay, so our next step is I want to change this inline to an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually play the video. I made this really small. Okay, I'll just do this one. So I'm going to take a screen capture because I want it to be an image. This is a video of me. Yes, you can watch me being ridiculous. Okay. All right, perfect. Okay, Command-Shift-4 will allow you to grab a screenshot. So I'm just going to go like this. And then I'm going to use that as my screenshot. So I'm going to pull up my screenshots. I keep mine in a weird place. Yours are probably on your desktop. And then that should be the right screenshot. I'm just going to pull it over here. Come on. I'll rename it. Oops, move out of Dropbox. Move out of Dropbox. Okay, I'll just call it DD screen. And And I'm just going to put it in videos, even though it's not really a video. Okay. So dd-screen is going to go here. So image source equals videos dd screen. And then if I go back to my browser, okay. Oh, it's like opening on my other screen. Hold on. Video dd screen. Oh, PNG. And then let me grab the screen from my other monitor. Okay, so it's giant. I should make it smaller, but when I click on it, it opens in this new window. And I've given it a long, hard thought, and I'm hungry, so. Okay, so now I just want to resize that image. So you could do, you know, I would put this in your regular CSS, but I'll just do. I'll just say all of my images I want to be a width of 400 pixels. That's good enough. Okay, so now that is it. So I'm going to pause, and there's probably ways of modifying this dark background so that it's more transparent. So I'm going to pause this for a second. Let's make sure my screenshot is normal. And I'll look for their. So what I did to find opacity was I inspected the page and then I kind of looked around. So what I found was this div class lity open. So this is kind of where our stuff is getting pulled in. And there's the wrapper, there's the container, there's a lot, there's contents. I'm sure the video's in here somewhere. There's our video. Okay, so lity opened has a background of black with a 0.9. So if I was to change that to 4, I could change the opacity. 9's a little too dark. I think I'd probably go for maybe 7 or 8. 8 seems good. So we want to target .lity. So as long as our CSS comes after their CSS, so in this case, you know, if I had an external CSS file, it would be after this lity min CSS. I'm just going to do it here. So it's .lity, and then we want the background. Let's look at it again. I think it's just background. So yeah, background RGB A. So the A is the alpha, and then it'll be 0, 0, 0, and then the last one will be 0.8. Let's just make sure that this is working. So I'm going to say 0.5 so we can really see the difference. So if I refresh, and I click on this again, now we've got much less transparency. Okay, and then it'll always center. I'm sure you could probably find more like lity. It's all going to be in that lity inline, lity opened. So it's positioned to be right in the middle. So sort of this top right, bottom left, it's taking up the whole page, but the video is just sort of centered within that. So you could kind of mess with that if you wanted to. Okay, that's about all I have for you. Right, thanks.